Hi everybody, it is spring cleaning week, so we're talking about cleaning out your car. So we're at McCloskey Appearance Center right next to Trucktown. We're talking to Joe McCloskey and Kirby. They're going to let us know how they can make your car look as beautiful as the day you drove it off the lot. How can you do that, Kirby?
We have a group of skilled guys that will take care of your car, and we'll start from the interior. We wash the engine compartment. We basically thoroughly go through your entire vehicle. We'll shampoo the carpets, shampoo the seats, dress all your vinyl products. We buff and clean your headlights, removing the oxidation from the weather, and it dramatically increases the appearance of your vehicle. Wash all your windows, door jambs, all that good stuff, and then we apply hand wax on the outside of the vehicle as well.
Sounds great. So what else can you do in that interior, Joe?
Well, in the interior of the vehicle, once we're done steam cleaning the interior, sanitizing it, because so many people forget, just like your carpets at home that have bugs and germs and all, with your car it's even worse. And then so we sanitize the interior of the vehicle, and then once we're done, if we see that there's stains that are permanent, we can re-dye those stains both on the carpets as well as the seats. If there's scuffs or scratches on the upholstery, including that, we can take care of that for them, fill those in, repair those, and if it's so damaged, we can replace the upholstery for them as well.
But Kirby, what if your vehicle smells bad?
You mean like this?
Exactly.
Oh, terrible.
Oh, that dirty gym sock smell. Well, if your vehicle smells like a dirty gym sock when you start it up, you know, it's weather, warmer weather, it's coming right now. When you turn on your car, turn on the air conditioning, and it smells like, like that.
Terrible.
Here, you want to try it? That when you start up your car, it smells like a dirty gym sock. We could take care of that for you. What we do is we steam clean the interior of the vehicle, then we take out the cabin air filter. We go through the entire ventilation system and sanitize it. So not only do we sanitize the vehicle, which many people don't understand, you know, they'll steam clean their carpets at home and remove all of the allergens, as well as the bacteria and even mites that are in the carpeting. Well, the same thing's in your car, if you really think about it, plus a lot of pollen buildup. So what happens is that we go through and clean the ventilation system, sanitize that as well, replace the cabin air filter, sanitize the interior of the vehicle, and it'll smell just like brand new again.
And that is, I can attest to this because my kids were actually sick in my vehicle and I brought it here the other week. And you guys, you're amazing, you're angels. That's all I'll say. I mean, like, I'm not even going to talk about how gross it was inside.
Yeah,
so,
your car smelled kind of bad too, right? Because you pulled up
so
with all of these air fresheners hanging on your rearview mirror.
I did not.
Would you like to have these back?
Yes, thank you. I need these. All right. Well, Kirby, you know, we're talking about the inside of our vehicle. So what about the outside? What if you ding your significant other's vehicle? You got to bring it in. You got to fix it.
That is huge. We get a lot of people out of the doghouse. We save relationships by covering up scratches, taking care of rock chips, minor mishaps with parking poles, things like that. So we do take care of the outside as well. We do minor paint touch-up, fender benders, things like that, and we also take care of the exterior finish with wax and polish.
All right, that's amazing.
The other thing that we do, many people sometimes, in addition to dirty gym sock smell, they'll have like an animal pet odor smell that goes on. Sometimes, unfortunately, a rodent will climb up inside the vehicle. We've been known to pull those out as well. So we've done just a lot of things. In fact, I think we even cleaned up after a horse one time.
True story.
Yes.
Bachelorette parties? Clean up after
Oh
those?
yeah.
Don't ask, don't tell.
Okay. Is there anything you guys won't clean up?
Again,
crime scene.
crime scenes. Crime scene.
All right. That sounds good. And you guys are running a special, and this is also just a great gift to give someone.
It is. Right now, just come in to McCloskey Appearance Center, mention that you saw it on Fox 21, and we'll get you $50 off and a detail. Many people are surprised about how inexpensive it is to detail their vehicle. Often, you know, even if you have your vehicle washed and waxed at a regular car wash, you can have your vehicle professionally detailed by our technicians who are highly skilled and have your car looking 10 times better than it would like if you had it normally washed. In addition to that, you know, many people are always trying to figure out what's the one gift to get somebody special in their life, which could be their spouse, their child, significant other. Even Mother's Day is coming up, and you're trying to think, what do I get for mom? You know, and after a while they get tired of getting the same flowers or something over and over. Well, you could come in and get a gift certificate from McCloskey Appearance Center, and where we can make their vehicle look like brand new again. There's a lot of pride of ownership, and there's something to be said about their car car, many people are so attached to their car, emotionally attached to it, that they like to keep driving it. They don't want to trade it in, and we can, it'll make a great gift idea for them.
I think that sounds like a wonderful gift, because Mom's car is always the one that looks the roughest. It's
Right.
the garbage can. So.
Or Dad's car.
Dad's car too.
Yeah, or even your child's car, you could get it cleaned up again for them and have them driving it like brand new.
Wonderful. Well, you have to stop on down to McCloskey Appearance Center right next to Trucktown. Tell them you're a Fox 21 viewer, get that $50 off, and you don't have to worry about leaving these in your car.